Hello everyone and welcome back to TNV Academy, where we simplify ISO standards for businesses and professionals. Today we are diving into the core principles of ISO 10001, the international standard for customer satisfaction codes. If you have ever wondered why some companies consistently delight customers while others struggle with complaints, this video will give you the answers. We will explore 4 core principles: transparency, responsibility, accessibility, and continuous improvement. Look at real-life examples and explain how applying these principles can transform complaints into loyalty and trust. Transparency. Make your processes clear. The first principle of ISO 10001 is transparency. Customers need to understand how complaints are handled, what to expect, and how long resolutions take. When businesses communicate clearly, trust grows and frustration decreases. Implementing transparency involves publishing codes of conduct, clearly explaining complaint procedures, and sharing expected timelines. A practical example is a telecom company providing clear billing dispute processes online. Transparency is not just about policies. It is about open communication that builds confidence and reduces misunderstandings. Responsibility. Accountability across the organization. The second principle is responsibility. Every employee must know their role in customer satisfaction, and management must provide the resources and authority needed for effective complaint handling. Accountability ensures that complaints are resolved efficiently and consistently. For example, in a retail company, staff handling product returns should fully understand the code of conduct, escalation procedures, and follow-up process. Responsibility transforms complaints into actionable insights and drives continuous organizational improvement. Now, accessibility. Easy channels for customers. Accessibility is the third principle. Customers should have easy and multiple ways to provide feedback or lodge complaints, including emails, apps, website forms, social media, or hotlines. The simpler it is for customers to share concerns, the faster the organization can respond. Accessibility also means inclusivity, ensuring all customer segments, including differently abled individuals, can access complaint channels. For example, an e-commerce company offering multiple complaint channels ensures faster resolution and higher satisfaction. Continuous improvement. Learning from feedback. The fourth principle is continuous improvement. ISO 10001 encourages organizations to use customer feedback to enhance products, services, and processes continuously. Complaints are opportunities, not problems. Continuous improvement can include analyzing complaints for patterns, updating policies, training staff, and monitoring the effectiveness of solutions. For instance, a tech company receiving repeated app crash complaints can use this feedback to fix issues, update customers, and improve trust. Real-life applications of the principles. Many organizations successfully apply these principles. Amazon ensures transparency with clear written policies, accountability by training support staff, accessibility through multiple complaint channels, and continuous improvement by analyzing feedback to improve delivery. Apple, Zomato, and other companies follow the same principles to consistently delight customers. Even small businesses like a local cafe tracking service, speed complaints, and informing patrons about improvement can benefit. These principles are scalable and adaptable to any organization. Transform complaints into loyalty. In summary, ISO 10001 is built on 4 core principles: transparency, responsibility, accessibility, and continuous improvement. These principles are more than rules. They are a blueprint for building trust, resolving complaints effectively, and creating long-term customer loyalty. Start small, measure results, and scale gradually. Implement these principles in your organization and watch customer satisfaction and loyalty grow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy. And Daya Kanshra Mishra will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.